FuzzPi guy here. I'm going to show you an issue that I came across after a fresh install of the program called LightShowPi. So now I'm using a Raspberry Pi 4 with this installed. So if we CD into this, and let's say we just want to test it out to make sure it's working, and we throw this command here. Now let me do this over. So we're running this here just to see. Let's test our relays just to see if it's working. Now I don't have no relays hooked up to this because, you know, the Pi doesn't know any better if relays are hooked up to it or not. So that's not a problem. At least we could test the software side of the house and not worry about the hardware. So anyway, you come back and you get this error message. Now I followed the Python 3 install and we still get this issue. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. Let's clear. Now let's CD into the py directory, and if we go into here, you can see that we have a bunch of different scripts in here. We're going to be focused on this guy right there. So let's do a sudo, and whatever your favorite editor may be, I just use Nano for my videos since it's an easier one to use for people. And we're going to get into this file here, the platform.py. Now here we are, we're in here. So we're going to go and we're going to search. Now let me back up here. We're going to go down here and we're going to go to, we're going to run this one right here because we know what line it is. It's line 108. So if we go down here and we type in line 108, here's the line that we are concerned about. So what we are going to do is, I'll throw a link in the description to my website for this, but we're going to remove this guy here. So we're going to delete this guy, and now we are going to paste in this big line right here, and we'll just hit the backspace to get rid of that space in between. And this is the way it should look after. This here was basically the way it looked before, other than the colon's not there. And this is the way it looks now. So now if we do a Control X, Y, and enter, we'll clear that, we'll back up one directory, and now if we run the following command like we did prior, it works. Now we can just type off to turn things off, and there you go. So like I said, I'll throw a link in the description. Hopefully this helped out, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another one.